guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video, so I'm gonna be doing my Christmas look for today. It's been late, but I'm still gonna do it. I will upload it by today itself. I wasn't feeling that well since 2 days. I was really having bad headaches, seriously too much. But I think it started like when I was filming like 4 videos continuously, and it really hurted me a lot. Anyways, I'm all good and fine today, so I'm quickly just gonna do a very simple Christmas look, and that is why I'm wearing this green and red top. And we'll be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, but it will be a quick one for sure, because I'm going to do a very simple eye look because I have the foxy eye that I did like few months back, and I love how that look turns out. So I'm gonna do that, but using green eyeshadows and mostly green eyeshadows. So today we'll be doing a simple look. So if you're new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews. So if you want to, and if you are interested, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'm actually talking like too fast, but please do subscribe. And without wasting time, let's go. So I have just done my eyebrows, because I mean nowadays I don't know, it looks like on camera it looks really bad if I don't do my brows, because I thought I had like fuller brows, but I actually don't. My brows is not like this. I have like done my brows. So anyways, I think I want to use like deep, like this kind of green shade, and I honestly don't even have like a proper like dark emerald greens. So I have this Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions, then I have the James Charles palette. So I'm gonna use like deep greenish. So I'm gonna use like green shade from these two palettes, because I have to use like different palettes, because I honestly don't have like a proper green color. And even this like doesn't have like a proper like deeper emerald color, but I'll try to use this one. And then maybe from James Charles palette, I think this one has like a much deeper green, so maybe I'll use this. So this is like much deeper than that, so we'll be trying out this green and maybe some glitters or shimmers. But on the center of my lids I want to use this Natasha Denona shade. This is like her pot shadows, and it has like beautiful shimmers to it, and I can't really even put my fingers because I've applied like false nails. I wanted something like vampy, so black is good to go. So we will be starting with the eye look, because I want to finish off the eye look first, and it actually won't take like a lot of time. You must have seen the foxy eye trend that I had did a couple of months back, and I love the look. Really, honestly, I love that look using just simple eyeshadows. So I mean it gets super easy and super fast. So I'm just going to use my tape, because I mean I'm really not good at eyeliners, so this is my way of doing it. And I'm actually gonna put it like that, because I want like space here so that I can drag my, and I'm gonna start like my wing from here, so that I can do like a grungy lower lash line, and then do a nice wing liner using deep green shade, and then smudge it and blend it with a nice light green shade. So we will be doing that. And so I'm gonna take like this angle brush, and I'm gonna use the dark green shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna start like from here, and I mean drag it like till the end of your brows. The wing can be as long as you want, and then I'm gonna start doing like a wing here and join them, and you can make it as thick as you want, but I'm gonna go slow because I'm not that great at doing wing. And we can make it like more sharp using like wet wipe or a cotton bud, so we'll do that also. I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to put it in my lower lash line, and just till here. I'm not going to take it like in my inner corners. So what are your plans for Christmas? I mean I really don't have any plans. Maybe I'll go out somewhere. We usually like go out during weekends, so maybe that's the only plan, but I'm not sure where we'll be going. Let's see. And honestly I lost so much of time like yesterday and day before yesterday when I was not feeling well. I couldn't just put makeup on. Whenever I have like headaches, I really don't feel like doing anything. If you have like bad headaches, and I really have like really bad headaches, I don't even like the AC. I mean AC is the main reason for my headaches, and I don't like it if it is like on top of my head. I hate that, but that's the main reason actually for my headache. I mean, that day I made like 4 videos and I had planned so many videos and I just didn't make it. Last night also I was feeling a little better and I thought I'll sit and make like a lot of videos yesterday, so I slept like around 10. I mean, that's the first time that I slept like around 10. I usually don't sleep around 10. It's like when you are in school and when you want to study, you feel really sleepy. Otherwise, you are not sleepy at all. I mean, I really don't know what really happened. I am gonna take the same green shade, just a little bit on my brush, and I'm gonna just smudge it so it doesn't have any harsh line. I didn't even prime my lids. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm just gonna smudge it and then blend the lower lash line as well. I'll just repeat the process once again. How did I even forget to like prime my lids? And the same thing, I'm gonna take the same green shade. I'm not using any light shade, I'm just using the same shade and just blend. I mean, just like that. And I am actually going to take like this green shade, the lighter one, and maybe I'll put this all over my lids, just lightly all over my lids, because I just want like a wash of like light green color. I'm gonna put this first in my waterline and I'm going to take this and put it on the wing liner, just so that it has like little bit of shimmer to it. I mean, I had not actually planned this, but it is looking good enough. And I'm going to put it in my lower lash line as well. I'm going to take the same green shade and I'm just going to smudge it. And I'm going to use the Natasha Denona shadow and put it all over my lids, because this is something I really wanted to do. So it gives like this sparkle effect, so I want that. And this brush like picked up so much, but that's okay. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner and just drag it here and put it all over my lids. That is actually looking really pretty. I'll try this like deeper green shade and try to put it on my wing. Wow, that's looking nice. So I'm gonna put this like shimmer shade on my wing line like I did with that gel crayon. I think this is much better. I'm going to put this on my lower lash line as well. That is looking very metallic actually. Now I'm gonna remove this and see if I need to like clean anything. I think I need to clean like just a little bit, because this is too much actually. First I'm going to clean this part. Maybe I'm just gonna clean it that much. So this is like pretty much good. Now I'll just quickly do the other eye off camera and then we'll continue with our face makeup. So I'll just be back. Okay, now that I am done with my eyes, I just applied the Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. So now I'm gonna use my NARS foundation, and let's see. I don't really want a lot of foundation on my face, because last time I had applied a little too much. I think I'm gonna like put a little on my brush. I usually like don't do that, but I hope this will make it much better. I think this is much better, because last time I had applied way too much. I mean, in photos the foundation was actually looking so good, really good. I think this is pretty good, and I think I should use this much, because last time I honestly used a lot. I mean, it looked really good, but I had applied a lot. I think this much is good enough for me. So honestly guys, what are your plans? I hope things get better soon. 2021, I mean, there should be like no lockdown and all that stuff. Seriously. I mean, this year was too much. We don't really want similar things again in 2021. But I hope we just go through this soon and things get better. I'm just applying lip balm because my lips are kind of dry. So now for the videos, I am actually gonna upload till around maybe till 30th, and after that I'll take a week break and then I'll upload it from maybe whichever is the next Monday, I'll upload that, because I just want to take like a week break and then be back on track, and I'll get like enough time to shoot a couple of videos, and maybe I'll just get little time to go out. So I'm just applying the concealer. I'm not using the NARS one, I'm using the Laura Mercier concealer. So I'll be, maybe, I think it's like 11th 12th, I'm not sure, but not the first week. I'll start uploading videos on the second week. And these nails are looking so good. I mean, they are just fake, but still they're looking good enough. I'm just going to blend the concealer, and I'm really sorry guys if you hear like car noises, but I mean, even during the night, I mean, they are too much, and people with their cars, I mean, they are awake at night. I'm just going to blend this concealer, and I don't want to spoil my winged that I did, so I'm just carefully, that is why I like this brush, because it is precise, so I can do like precise application. And then I'm going to use my blending brush and just blend the concealer. So I'm planning a lot of new things for next year, inshallah. Can you hear that? I mean, people go like crazy. I mean, just wait for Friday. Anyways, I'm planning a lot of different things for Instagram from inshallah 2021 from Jan, and I've started like different videos and editing them in a different style already on Instagram. I'm not sure whether you have seen. Obviously I love a good like typical tutorial, but I don't think Instagram really likes that. I mean, the algorithm is really bad, so I'm trying to do different things like editing like in different style. Let's see how it goes. I hope it works well. Now I'm just going to apply my powder, and I don't really know, I mean, I watch TikTok, like I watch, but I don't really know, I'm not comfortable in uploading like makeup videos there. I don't know. And I'm just setting my entire face with the same powder, but I think I will be starting with TikTok also, because I mean, the algorithm is like much better. I don't know, I like Instagram, but the algorithm is really making a lot of mess and not allowing people to grow. I'm gonna take the bronzer, which is from Jouer. I'm just gonna take the darker shade, and I'm going to bronze up my face, because somehow the foundation is like pretty good shade for me, but I don't know why I'm looking that white. So I'm gonna bronze my face really quickly, and I'm gonna put it on my neck area and my chin area so that I can hide this. Really can't hide it, but just trying to do that. Oh my god, I wanted to use the Nude Sticks blush again before applying powder, but still, honestly, I'm gonna use it again because I really want to, because that day my makeup honestly looked so good. I mean, I faced you, but I mean, I really didn't do a lot on my face because my face was looking so good with the foundation, pretty good. So I'm just going to apply this using the same shade that I used that day, Cherry Blossom Babe, and I am going to use the Real Techniques brush. I'm just going to blend it quickly, otherwise it will dry and I won't be able to blend it. I think that's pretty good. Honestly, sometimes I'm really sorry, but honestly I don't really know what to talk. Even every day I seriously don't really know what to talk. I'm not that kind of a talkative person. I hardly even talk, so sometimes I get confused about what to talk. That is why I usually don't make like chit chat videos. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild blush to just set really quickly. This is in the shade Pinch Me Pink, and I am going to set my face really quickly using the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Illuminating Setting Spray. Love this setting spray. And now for highlight, I'm going to use the Jouer Citrine. I mean, this was really amazing and I really loved how it looked. So I'm going to use the same shade. It is very blinding. That is so pretty. And I'm gonna put a little bit on this cheek area so it looks like glowy. And I'm gonna put it on the other side as well. Little bit on my nose, in between my brow bone. and a little bit on my chin area so it looks like nice and glowy. Now quickly I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then lashes I'll do off camera. Just gonna do like one coat, that's all. Lower lash line I'll do like later on. Now quickly we'll do our lips. I think I want to go for like red, maybe this one. This is also like really amazing, so I think we will go with this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in the shade Madam. This is like a really pretty red color, so I think I want to do that. It is like a deeper red. Or if I wouldn't go with that, I obviously would have gone with the shade Maybelline lipstick. They are amazing. So I'm just gonna put this. I actually don't know how it's looking with the makeup. Actually, is it actually looking too much? I honestly don't know whether this makeup is looking good, but I'm very sure after I use my lashes it will look good, and I'll just quickly just like curl my hairs and I'll be back to finally show you my look. And if I don't like this, I'll just use a nude lipstick, but I'll just quickly do my hair, do my lashes, and I'll just be back. So guys, I finally finished doing my lashes. I did something to my hair and I applied lip gloss on top of the lipstick. I think this is looking much better, so I applied the shade Cheeky from Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is how the eye look turned out. I wore this earring, I think this is from Shein, and there is like lipstick all over my teeth. I got green one as well, but I think I'll wear this one, and I'm wearing this neck piece. I am not sure, from Forever 21 H&M, I'm not sure, but I'll link everything in the description below. Even my top, I'll put everything in the description. So this is how the eye look turned out. Really nice and amazing, simple and amazing. You can obviously pair this look even with a nude lip, that will also look much pretty, but this is for the eye look. Anyways guys, this was actually all for today's Christmas video. I hope you liked it. I mean, I did it at the last moment, but I quickly wanted to do the simple eye look and put it out for you so it can be helpful for you, because it's like in 2 days. Christmas is in 2 days. So, and let me know what are your plans for Christmas in the comment section so I can have an idea and I can share mine as well. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.